Ensuring the well-being of seniors is a priority for families and caregivers alike. The Air Quality Pro Wi-Fi-enabled indoor air quality sensor is a comprehensive solution designed to monitor and enhance the living conditions of the elderly. This advanced sensor goes beyond air quality monitoring. It integrates essential features that contribute to the safety and comfort of seniors. The Air Quality Pro sensor is equipped with sophisticated technology that detects various air quality factors, such as particulate matter, volatile organic compounds, VOx, and carbon dioxide, CO2, levels. When it identifies suboptimal conditions, it sends immediate alerts to caregivers via a smartphone app. This real-time notification system ensures that any potential health risks due to poor air quality are addressed promptly. In addition to air quality alerts, the Air Quality Pro sensor includes a fall detection feature. This invaluable function provides an extra layer of safety by alerting caregivers if the senior has had a fall. Knowing that help can be summoned quickly in case of an accident brings peace of mind to both seniors and their families. The sensor also serves as a medication reminder, helping seniors maintain their health regimen. It can be programmed to send reminders at specific times, ensuring that medications are taken as prescribed. This feature is particularly useful for those who may struggle with memory or organizational challenges. The Air Quality Pro sensor is a testament to the advancements in technology aimed at improving the quality of life for seniors. It combines air quality monitoring with safety and health management, making it an essential tool for caregivers and families seeking to provide the best care for their loved ones. For more information about the Air Quality Pro and how it can benefit the elderly in your care, please contact me. You can find my email on my page, and I'll respond to your inquiry within 24 hours. Together, we can ensure a healthier and safer living environment for our seniors with the Air Quality Pro.